Hello friends, today I just wanted to show you quickly how to insert emojis into your Brightspace classroom environment. And this is just going to help your ELLs that are at beginner step levels, younger students, and also anyone else who is working at an emergent literacy level to access some of the important content in your class. Now, Brightspace is already extremely visual by its very nature, so there's lots of great visuals here for students to look at. But if you always tell them, start with the book, then they can go to the content of their classroom. And as you can see in the Welcome to School one here, in this unit, I've already put a little visual of a school. And so I'll quickly show you how you do that. So let's say for mathematics, I wanted to put an icon in there. So I would just click, I would edit here. So I go up to the three dots and go up to edit. Then beside the word mathematics, I'm going to cut and paste an emoji. And to do that, I'll go to the website getemoji.com. There's lots of websites out there, so you don't have to use just this one, but this is the easiest one and the first one that comes up when you Google emojis. So once I'm in here, I can either scroll through to find the emoji that I'd like, or I can do a little search. And so I'm going to search for numbers because I like to use numbers to represent mathematics. And this right here has taken me to the Emojipedia page, and it gives me a bunch of different emojis and then tells me a little bit about each one. I'll go to the input numbers one, and I'm just going to scroll over it. I've dragged over my cursor and I'm doing Control C for copy. And then I'm going to come back to my Brightspace and I'm going Control V, and that puts the mathematics picture right there. And I just save it. And now in that unit, you'll see there's a little number symbol besides mathematics. Now, if I'm telling a student, okay, click on math, remember it's the one with the blue with numbers on it, then that helps them to navigate the classroom. Likewise, for language arts, I might want to put a book. For science and technology, maybe I want to put a microscope. Social studies, maybe I'm going to put a globe, those sorts of things. This is just a quick way to be able to make some little visual cues within your Brightspace classroom to make it just that much easier for kids to access the important things that you'd like them to access.